All right. So this cabinet is the cabinet that came with the 1201. This is the 1207. And I was gonna see if it fit, but the 1207 and the 1201 don't have the same hinge locations. So I can't swap these Kenmore machines between the two cabinets. I was gonna do that swap because the 1201 bobbin winder is stuck, and it is stuck very tight. I have tried soaking it in penetrating oil, and I'm gonna have to start heating it and using more aggressive chemicals that'll probably peel the paint on it. And I thought trading the 1207 into the 1201 cabinet would allow me to get one of these cabinets and machines out of here, but that's not going to happen because these hinges here are not matching the pins on the back of the machine. So even though this bed is roughly the same size here, the hinge locations are off and it won't fit this cabinet right.